Welcome to School Pride University. In today's lesson, we're going to learn to install a School Pride Easy Change records board. Tools that you will need for installation are a drill, a hardware packet which will be enclosed with your board, a screwdriver, and I recommend using a level. First thing you need to do once the board has been unpacked is mark holes on the wall for install. So you hold the board up close to where you would like it to be, to hang. Don't forget your level. Once you have it level on the wall, take your pencil and mark all 4 holes for drilling. Now that you have your holes marked, set the board aside. This is a 1/4 inch drill bit. Will fit the hardware that we send. Drill the holes where they're marked. Inside the packet is hardware and an instruction sheet showing how the decorative pucks work. They're caps that go over the hardware to give the boards a professional look after install. The pucks, or the caps, if you will, are in 2 pieces. The screw threads through the base piece, and then the puck will cover the head of the screw. So first, put your anchor in. These anchors should work whether it's drywall or block. Obviously, you'll need a different drill bit depending on which surface you're going into. Now that we're ready to put the board up, don't forget there's tape on the edge of this board that needs to be removed before you hang the board. And the tape is just there to keep these inserts from sliding out during shipping. So pull your tape off, set it aside. Now again, we have our decorative pucks. Get each one ready to go. All right, now that the board is ready to go on the wall, one more thing to remember. On the back is a piece of double-sided tape. Remember to remove this backer paper. And what that does is keep the board, it doesn't support the board and hold any weight, but it keeps the center from bowing out once you have your board installed. So now we're ready to go up. We take our screw, get it started in the hole. Just run it in enough to get it to hold. Do the same thing on this side. Okay, that'll hold the board in place. If you'll notice, there's stickers on each corner warning you not to tighten this down too tight, because you will crack the edge of that board if you tighten it down too much. So typically what I'll do is run them in, but not run them in tight, and then hand tighten them with a screwdriver. So we've got them in place. Now run them down with the screwdriver. Just making them snug, but not too tight. Apply a little pressure on the center where your foam back tape was, just to make sure it's secure to the wall. And now your pucks will screw on over top of the screw heads to give it a nice professional finished look. Now, if it's in a high traffic area and you think that students might discover that they can screw the heads of these off, if you just put a drop of Loctite in there before you screw it down, that will hold that on there permanently. But if you have to later, you can get it off. Basically, we've just installed your Easy Change records board. Thank you.